Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Peter. In front of me is a small LaserJet printer that can perform tasks in the office and the home. It is a LaserJet M236dw. This printer, from the word mount function, can perform the tasks of printing, scanning, and copy. It has 3 connections to the computer or to the network. It has a USB port, it has a network port, and a wireless connection. This is the power port where we plug in power. This is the power button. However, we can all get the functions of all these buttons by pressing the I button. You press the I button and hold. It will print out all the information regarding the operation of this printer. While using this printer, sometimes we encounter challenges like paper jam. Here I demonstrate how we can clear the jam in case it happens. While we are copying maybe like 3 pages which I've commanded, print it out to 1 page and the second page jammed. To locate this jammed paper, we access the cartridge and we open it that way and remove the cartridge. As you can see, there is a jammed paper which was about to come to exit point. To clear this jam gently, we release this door part. Once we access this paper, we can be able to pull out. So we set back this in position and return our cartridge into the machine. We close the access door and then it will be to resume printing. That is the way how we can easily clear the jam. Earlier on we spoke to you about this printer making 30 pages per minute, and here we carry out our demo.